Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best flower vases in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. UBUI Ceramic Vase. Flower vase minimalism style for modern table shelf home decor. Fit for fireplace, bedroom, kitchen, living room centerpieces, office desk, solid white. Minimalist style. Clean, simple, and elegant look with neutral colors can blend with anywhere, which will add more vigor and sophistication to your room. It will be a great choice for modern rustic farmhouse home decor clearance. High quality. Made of high-quality white porcelain, texture uniform, special frosted hand feel. It glazed with elegant, attractive different solid or gradient colors. Use OCCA's ions. Suitable for floral arrangement, hydroponics plants. Fit for everyday use, table centerpieces for wedding, graduation, party, coffee table, restaurant, mantel fireplace and bathroom, bedroom, laundry room, living room decor. Multi-purpose. This vase is not only fit for greenery and dry or faux florals, but also can hold water for fresh flowers. Number 4. Vase XL Clear Glass Cylinder Vase. H12V4. Multiple size choices glass flower vase, centerpieces hurricane floating candle holder vase. Quality. Hand-blown crystal clear glass, not machine-made. Crafted with thick glass and a stable bottom for the perfect table centerpiece. Uses. Cylinder vases are the most simple, elegant glass vase centerpiece. Although they are common, they are the most effective decor for almost all occasions. It is both generous and befitting. Regardless if you are using in wedding events or home decor, it will easily attract attention to its elegance. Looks. The looks of a cylinder vase is prevalent. Nothing too special. However, that's the most attractive point of the vase. It can be used with anything and goes well with everything. It is the perfect item to have for a simple modern look. Occasions. Cylinder vases are great for all events. Number 3. Ottoman Clear Glass Vases for Flowers Decor Home Handmade, Modern Large Flower Vase for centerpieces, living room, kitchen, office, wedding, 8.7-inch, clear. Home Decor 8 piece of the glass vase, perfect for bouquet fresh flower arrangements, branch roses, orchids. Beautiful decoration for kitchen, living room, office, restaurant, dining room table centerpiece. Quality material. Made of high-quality handcrafted glass material with thickened bottom. This glass vase is sturdy, durable, leak-proof, and easy to clean. Exquisite workmanship. The mouth of the bottle is polished and smooth, and make your hands feel gentle. The bottom of the bottle is thickened to make it not easy to shake, and the flower arrangement is more stable. The bottle body is crystal clear and has an upgraded texture. Each flower arrangement vase is individually mouth-blown and hand-finished by skilled craftsmen. Number 2. Fantastic Modern Glass Vase Irised Crystal Clear Glass Vase for Home Office Decor, Crystal Gray. Minimalist Style Vase. Contemporary art decor perfectly for your room, office, cafe, bars, etc. Straight barrel and round body design makes the vase look smooth, simple, stylish, and sophisticated, which shows your extraordinary taste and brings a good mood to you every day. Crystal Flower Vase. Crafted from quality translucent glass coated with glossy color to achieve durable and glamorous performance. Color changes when different lights hit the vase, which makes it the most gorgeous, unique, and charming decor in your space. Use occasions. Simple style vase is suitable for all style displays, such as kitchen tabletop, living room, dining room, bedroom dresser, study, shelf, porch, office decor, etc. Number 1. Slime Flower Vase Glass Thickening Design for Home Decor, Wedding Vase, or Gift. 7.5, high x4, wide clear with color box. The etching leaves are decorated in glass around the vase. Great to show the beauty of flowers, bring you nice mood every day. Both all sides and bottom of the vase is thickened design, compared with ordinary vase more thick and strong. With high-quality lead-free crystal glass, looks like a gentleman, elegant, and stable. No sharp corners, bubbles or wrinkles on the glass, The vase looks pure and transparent, safe and beautiful. Easy to wash, shock-resistant, and non-breakable. 8-inch in height, 4-inch in the opening width. The design of the wave shape makes it has unique charm. Not only for home decoration, restaurant decoration, flower shop decoration, office decoration, and we believe it is a perfect gift.